8th of August 2020.
Asutusyhtiö Torinkunta. Ja.
And Helsingintie 13 stay the same. Here in Järvenpää, Helsingintie, Uusimaa, Finland. Also with MP8 fixtures. Prestige 4 personal 305 grams. And it was built in 1983, 25 years old in 2018. The number is H62594 with 6 floors. And it will be inspected in 2023. So right, we have just been to the staircase B. We'll also go to the staircase C here. It looked like the call button on the behind the ground and basement floor was the light was changed to LED.
Yeah.
But here it is still the light bulbs.
Yeah.
Light bulbs are of course better here.
Yeah.
But still, like having some sort of light that works is better than nothing.
Yeah.
But still, this is best.
Yes.
And as it fits best into this older types of MP8 fixtures. Although this is not the older, so old, but it was this with the blue Kone logo, but still.
Yeah.
I mean, not the earliest.
Yeah.
It's one of the latest.
Spektaatpakki maintained by Kone.
Right. Please also watch the staircase here, and then we will also go to the staircase.
That's